how to sell on Coinbase or the Coinbase wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Basnell, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell on Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now if you open up the wallet application, the Coinbase, or if you head into Coinbase, there you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Now I'm unable to log into my account and I'm unfortunate that I won't be able to show it in detail, but I'll just be guiding you through. First things first, at the home page of your Coinbase.com or the Coinbase wallet, you'll get the transfer tab or the trade tab. You want to tap on it and you'll get the buy and sell option, right? You want to simply tap on sell. Once you tap on sell, there you would like to select the amount you would like to sell, select the asset you would like to sell, then select the balance your profits will be deposited into. After that, you want to preview your details, and once you have previewed your details and review the transaction details, and simply select sell and then sell now, and then go ahead. So this way you can sell on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.